So you finally decided that it's time to change for the better and level up in real life, just like you used to in your video games. But then you might have realized that it wasn't as easy as it sounds. Have you ever wondered why it's still difficult but so fun in video games to level up, but not so in real life? Well, the answer is pretty obvious, because these games are specially designed to keep you stimulated by giving you constant dopamine hits, so you just don't want to stop playing them and keep leveling up. And that's exactly why step 0 is to quit these video games and all overstimulating activities like scrolling social media, TikTok, etc. Only then your brain will be able to focus in any direction that isn't so stimulating. For example, working on self improvement or focusing on your business, etc. These stuff don't give you constant stimulation, so you will find it extremely hard to focus on anything. Alright, so the way to level up in real life is by achieving some goals that you set for yourself. As in a video game, you have your missions to level up your character, like kill 100 monsters or something like that. You have to set yourself some goals in real life, which we will discuss in step 1. And then you get some XP in return, which will be our life's experience, I guess, in real life. And then you move on to something bigger that's the same thing in real life but way harder. So now moving on to step 1. Alright, moving on. Step 1, set yourself some goals. Aim high, and they should take at least 3 months or 1 or 2 years to achieve. You can set 1 to 3 goals ideally and set them for different areas of your life, like one for fitness, one for relationships, one for money, one for business, etc. For example, 10% body fat or 10k a month. Step 2, set some daily quests or objectives or tasks, whatever you want to call them, and also set weekly ones. These will take you closer towards your goal and help you in achieving them if you follow them consistently. You need to call them these things like quest objectives, because then it will motivate and excite you just like in a video game. And you need to track your completion of these tasks as well, which we will discuss in step 3. Step 3, tracking your progress. The main way to track your progress in this framework is by tracking your quests slash objectives, whatever you're calling them. Alright, and only then you will know if you're achieving them or not. And only these daily tasks will predict if you are actually achieving your goal or not. Because if you're just thinking about your goal and not doing anything, nothing's gonna happen. You need to do some tasks daily. And one way you can track those daily tasks is by using a habit tracker. You can do it either on pen and paper or online softwares like Notion or Notes, etc. I'll also have my Notion template, which is a very good habit tracker, linked in the description. You can check it out. It's completely free. Another way you can track your progress is by having a journal. In a journal, you can assign daily and weekly tasks to yourself, track if you completed them or not by crossing them or whatever. And also you can also write about how your day was and did you feel productive that day. All these things will help you stay consistent and actually know if you're doing anything or not. If you really focus on your goals and use all these techniques that I mentioned, there's no stopping you from achieving your goals. You will achieve them, and when you do, set some new goals which will be even more ambitious, and then achieve them by using the same framework. Alright, that's it for today, and good luck on your journey.